All right, we have a problem here where we have a multiple regression model with known betas. Normally, when we find this, this would be the expected value when we put in the different betas. So let's go ahead, and we're asked to draw the three labeled graphs. So first of all, let's go ahead and see what we would have if we had an econ major. So for an econ major, well, first of all, there is no econ major. So, oh my, what do we do? Well, that's the reference one. So x2 is 0 and x3 is 0. So x3 is 0 here and x2 is 0. So our econ major would be 500 plus 100 x1. And so remember, x1 is the GPA entering in. Math would be that x2 is 1. And so what we would get is 500 plus 100 x1. That's the quantitative variable, minus 50, because we put an x2 in for 1. And so we'd get 450 plus 100 x1. And then the finance major would be 1 if it's x3. And so what we would get is 500 plus 100 x1 plus 25 x1 plus epsilon. Actually, I should add epsilons to both of these. And so this would end up being 500 plus 125 x1 plus epsilon. So let's go ahead and carefully draw this graph. And so let's start with math. There'd be 450. And after 4 spots, they would be at 850, so 850 there. Go ahead and draw that line. So this is math. Econ would start at 500 and would add 400, so 4 times 100, that would be 900. So I draw that graph. And then finally, finance would be 500 plus 125. So 4 times 125 is 500. And so they would be up to 1,000. And then we can make determinations based on this, that there appears to be, since this is parallel for econ and math, there doesn't appear to be any interaction between econ and math. But for finance, there seems to be interaction, at least with the slope. Okay? So that's using the indicator variables for a regression model.